So this is a DC to DC converter, okay? See, here we have 4 ports over here. 2 of 72 volts and 2 of 12 volts. Now we are going to learn about the inside system, a basic inside system of DC to DC converter. Like what does a DC to DC converter do? This is our onboard charger. So from 72 volt, the battery is connected over here, okay? The battery transfers 72 volt and then it is transferred to inductor. Now what does inductor do? Inductor's basic function is to step down the current. So basically inductor will step down the 72 volt to 12 volt. Exactly not 12 volt but around 12 volt. It would be like 25-20. Now the next thing where it will be going is capacitor. Now what does your capacitor do? If the volt is of 20 to 25 volt, the capacitor will take the load. It will store the load and will allow the 12 volt to go ahead. The remaining load will take out the extra voltage. The same capacitor and load are doing the same thing, taking out the extra voltages. This is a diode. Diode's basic function is to make the circuit move in one direction. If in case the battery stops giving out the voltage, if the battery connection is cut, we don't want the current to flow backwards. We don't want this thing. So this thing is stopped by the diode. There are extra voltages taken by the load over here. So what does the load do? Load transfers this extra voltage to the other components required. Onboard charges. It works like an onboard charger. It works like an onboard charger and it charges the other components of the electric vehicle, like small components, microcontrollers, controllers are all powered by the load extra voltage given over here.